We have TerraLuna, symbol LUNA, versus the dollar. And what do we have? We have this one yet again grinding up around the high. So it is relatively strong within the context of this market. Weekly actually closed relatively good as well. Any sort of a move down to 29.5 or 29.25, in my opinion, is an opportunity on this one. This one does look good actually, especially coming into October, not October closure, but October open, meaning September closure. Any sort of a closure, basically, in the mid 30s or higher is going to look pretty damn good, probably for at least retesting of all-time highs in October and probably making new all-time highs in October, maybe at latest November. This one does look good for what it's worth. Anyways, as far as the daily goes, what do we have right here? We do have this one's actually reclaimed all of its major movement averages and did bounce off perfectly of our level from, I believe it was last Friday or Thursday. Either which way, that does imply that we probably do test the tops out of this range first. I don't necessarily know if it's ready to break out. However, I'd really be looking for BBWP to start to expand once again. And right now it is somewhat it's not necessarily trending down, but it is flat. So don't look at that as conclusive in and of itself. Let's go check out over here and see if there's any other, any other points of confluence, and then we can come up with some areas. Yeah, daily is going to be up as long as above about 29.67, so looking good right there. 4 hours going to be freshly crossing up as long as we're above about 35.57. Yeah, I'd be looking for this one to test the tops of the range first. Any sort of a closure above about 43 bucks, especially on a daily, but even on a 4 hour, could we use that as well? Probably yes. Maybe I make that like 43.5 instead. Then I would be looking for the next, melt up move on this one. This one's been a really good actor right here. Now, while I don't necessarily see too many bearish things about this one in particular, obviously Bitcoin is going to decide the direction for the majority of this market. If Bitcoin were to fail below, I think it was, 43 or 42,500, I would be looking for a test back down to the bottom side of the range first before anything else, which is 27 bucks. So the invalidation on this on a 4 hour would be back below 33.90 or so. And then yes, I'd be looking for it to fall over. But for right now, hidden bullish evidence on the 4 hour. We do see that 4 hour jewel is in a bouncy territory. And this is looking like a corrective sideways move, which is good within the context of this one, as it's been, just straight fucking up ever since realistically like late June right there. So hopefully that was helpful. And there you go for Luna USD.